SOFI update here on the 5th. So I haven't done an update in a while. It had nothing to do with the chart. I've been very busy traveling day to day and haven't had a chance. And the last time I did technical analysis on this, I was going to say in the video, I was going to say there's two different possibilities. The bearish and the bullish possibility. I drew up this bullish possibility, a retest of this falling wedge. And then today happened, and we get a massive crash, and the stock is now at 572 overnight, 14% down. So let's just go over where this is at. I mean, technicals on this stock have already been pretty dicey. We're still at the point though where if you're looking at the overall structure of the long-term chart, regardless of how far this goes down, to me it's still a B wave. So eventually we should still get this move. It's just nobody can really call this. Like, I've been trying to call this for a while. It breaks out, it comes back down, breaks out, because obviously whoever is controlling the stock does not want this to go up. I mean, we've been down the whole year and we beat earnings every single time. So with that being said, if we're at 572, let's just go over what's going on. This is a false breakout. We break out of the falling wedge, and then it just comes straight back down. You have gaps here. This is going to be filled today, so this gap's filled. The next gap is at 548, and that is actually the last gap on the chart, I think. So I'm just saying this is probably going to 550 to fill this gap. That would be an epic buying opportunity. I don't know if anybody wants to buy anymore. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this right here. This is a weekly demand right here. So I guess the whole time this was actually, let's just see where the 1.61 fib is. Okay, 1.61 fib is actually down here at 447. So you need to be careful. If this keeps on crashing, then don't rule out the possibility of hitting 450. Because at this point, nothing matters but what the Fed does. Is the Fed going to cut rates? Are they going to do an emergency cut? I mean, they've been waiting for a long time. This is the perfect time to do it. They need to do it. If they don't do it, then of course growth stocks are going to get absolutely pummeled. So you pretty much throw technicals out the window. The only thing you can look at is moving averages and gap fills and all that stuff. Kind of get an idea, and then look at fundamentals overall. I mean, buying down here at this point, long term, you're still going to be good. But I think a lot of people are just, scared, and they don't know what to do. They don't want to see their account go down a bunch. But everyone that's in this stock is going to be getting absolutely destroyed today, unless you're perfectly hedged. So good buying opportunity, I would say at 550, but 570 is fine too. This is weekly demand between 493 and 550. And yeah, false breakout. And then we get a crash in the overall market, 572. Yep, 572. I mean, the S&P is down 3%, QQQ is down 5%. Not much you can do but buy more. And that's going to be tough for a lot of people. They probably won't buy down here, but this is still intact in my opinion. I don't think this is going to make a fifth wave and make a new low. But if the market keeps on crashing again, we don't know. It could go down to $3-4. Why not? It's kind of sad to say, but if the Fed does not do anything, then we're absolutely screwed. So that is my assessment on SOFI. Not very much technicals because none of this actually mattered. All that mattered was the market blowing up. So look down here at 550 for a gap fill, and then let's see what happens. Let's see if the Fed can save the market. Completely down to that. They need to save growth stocks. They need to cut rates. Let's see what happens. That's it for now. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe. Not very much technicals in this video, obviously. So hopefully we can get back to that soon. If the market stabilizes. My other video, same thing. Not very much technical. Just looking at moving averages and then kind of looking at counts and what's possible. That's it. Good luck today. Buying the dip, and hopefully this gets saved. Maybe they'll do an emergency cut before the market opens. We'll see.